Welcome to Listen to the Market for February 28. Every day the market presents a lesson. Every day we have the opportunity to learn the language, to learn the rules, to learn the setups, more importantly to internalize the concept. Once the concept or concepts have been internalized in relation to the setups, the campaign management, and even the money management, things start to flow rather well. So what was the lesson from yesterday? Well, quite simply, it was the difference between a 2R return and a 3R return. That's a 50% difference, or just a 1R return difference. If you were to take advantage of the extra 1R just one time per week times 50 weeks, and your R is 1%, that sort of seems like a reasonably large amount of R's to be throwing away. So let's see what transpired last night, my time, to provide that lesson. Well, kicking off time, the markets did what they did. In terms of actual trades in there, you'll need to wait until Monday to get a rundown on that. Coming into the end of the magic time finished just in there, 2:15 my time, outside the window. Suddenly the markets created a head of steam to the south side, and the 30-minute bar provided a down close, larger body than the previous bar, lower low, lower high, low close, black bar, all the world's bearish. Yet it was a buy setup in terms of the L.I.V.E setups and the L.I.V.E language on the 30-minute. Nothing on the 60-minute. The 60-minute was not presenting a setup. The 15-minute was indeed presenting a setup, being a Gorb buy on the Euro USD. What was more interesting was that on a related market there was a AA that came into play, as well as an SBS buy. So suddenly this downward movement on the 15, second last bar being an outside bar, became of interest. The pips at risk in here was about 20 pips. Entries achieved on the next bar, break of the high, ISL down through there, ISL's not threatened, raise your stop to there. No magic formula there. Now we can raise the stop to a break even in there, rolling up to the 30-minute. That's the 30-minute view. The 30-minute view doesn't give us an edge in terms of our stop loss, so we stay with the 15-minute. 15-minute bar, period 3 of the campaign, building up a head of steam. Stop loss is now up through there, initial entry there, not quite a 1R return. Next bar comes along, and suddenly we're locking in more than a 1R return on that one. That's the 30-minute view. The 30-minute view allows a stop to be placed back down there, so part of it can go on a 15-minute trail, part of it can go on a 30-minute trail. Expanding on what I presented yesterday, being the flexibility. Next bar has a higher low, raise the stop on half the position to there. Stopped out of half, courtesy of there, and what do we have? About a 2R return in through there, on half a position. The 30-minute now has a higher low, which is the same low through there, so that would be the lockup point for the second half. Managing on the 30-minute, let's have a look here, and yes, we've been stopped out. So the quick lesson here is, this was occurring outside the time window, the optimal time window being from 7 p.m. until 2 a.m. my time. This was after 2 o'clock. So even a broken watch is right twice a day. Joke, guys. I found it funny. Now, the real lesson was the down close black bar, the whole world is bearish. I believe someone was talking in America as to prognosticating what the world will do, what they will do. And the L.I.V.E setups gave a Gorb buy on the 15-minute view. 30-minute view was a FO buy. More importantly, on a related market, it was a AA buy. So that was one shot, one kill. And as it turned out, it provided a 2R return on a very simple trail of the 15, or jumping from 15 to 30. What was nice, having learnt the lessons from the L.I.V.E setups and internalized them, had the campaign been taken in the appropriate market, there was a 3R return on the table. So what I've done in this session is expanded your repertoire even more by focusing additionally on the 3D concept, where one market triggers a position in another market. Food for thought. That's it for today, guys. Catch you next time round. Bye.